Yeah, let them be great.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. So those diamond tip heads, it really goes against that skin because you can ask like, Zion, how does it feel? Like a little, like a something scraping against the face in a bad way or a good way?
In a good way.
Perfect.
Like it feels like it's in there.
Perfect. Wonderful. And remember that redness, that's supposed to be there. It's not a bad thing. It will subside. And it's just like any type of bruising, or if you leave a hickey on somebody's neck, if you suck too long, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Not to be nasty, but or even if you did a vacuum clean to your arm or something like that, yeah, you can leave a bruise. Like anything more than 10 seconds in the same spot, maybe even 15, is too much. You can burst capillaries, veins, and venules, and that's all that's bursting is capillaries, veins, and venules, because the blood is coming out of those bloodstreams or those veins coming up to the surface. Very nice. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And see how your strokes has gotten nice and precise now. Like you're getting being a professional with it now. And all it does is just take a few strokes of training and over and over and over. Just repetition, repetition, repetition. And that's how in the military, that's all we do, is repetition. Everything's over and over and over.
So what we gonna do now?
All right, so now, and so with scrubbing, it's almost like a nice little slow, because you're supposed to see like the little small particles like spitting off the face a little bit. Perfect. Everything is nice and slow and controlled. All right, so see the tip of his head, little bubbles that start moving, and you hear it. There you right. The louder, the better.
You see it?
So that's why you go nice and slow. Right. This is nice and slow strokes. Perfect. Right. And so that sizzling noise, that's the desincrustation solution mixed in with his skin. I'm sorry, with the tip of the scrubber. They're all coming in contact with each other at the same exact time. But the scrubber moves at like several thousand RPMs per second. You don't even see it, but you hear it though. You hear the contact with the skin. And this just breaks open the channels of the skin to help trans-epidermal water glide across the skin. Almost like an earthquake for your face. So the earth, when you see those cracks when the earthquake happens, you're like, man, what happened? So the tectonic plates or the shifting of those plates now allows for that ground to crack. The ground really doesn't have moisture in California. That's why you really see it cracking. Like we get an earthquake up here, and it becomes like more gravelly or bumpy. You'll see a few cracks in the road, but not like California. California's just a big desert if you think about it. Texas is kind of the same way. So with our face, yep, that's perfect. That was like outstanding. And so yeah, you don't really need to do extractions if you have desincrustation solution and they don't even sell it like they used to. But oh wait, let's see. Oh what? See? Yep.
Ew.
And that's dead skin cells. Yeah, it's amazing. Wow, you did it. You did it.
So now what I
oh,
go
so sorry,
and
yep.
cleanse is
Yeah, perfect. Is it too much water or not enough? Nah, it might be too much water.
I want to get that de-incrustation water.
Oh yeah. I like your desincrustation solution. You can definitely tell it did its job.
Thank you. That's Frascana. You said?
Hey, that's perfect. Yeah, that's wonderful.
It feels good on his skin.
I clean the kitchen every night.
Do you pay
They have an answer for everything.
You didn't know?
I got slapped for even thinking about an answer.
Right?
We did too. Look.
Oh, okay, never mind.
He's
We
lying.
used to
He
it.
is lying. You know he lying, right?
She'd be like, what?
Mm-hmm.
I'll
My
be-
teeth were over there. Like,
I'll be sitting there like,
wow. Okay, try to squeeze.
Zion, you are lying. Why are you lying?
I'm a heel at heart.
You are lying.
Oh, man.
And the one time that he got a beating, he ran from me so until I almost had an asthma attack and I couldn't beat him.
Son, you're gonna look up just one quick. Just gonna zoom in. Man, yeah, he is. See, and that's all from the machine. Like you didn't do a strict chemical peel to where it makes the skin all burned up and red. Yeah, he's doing great.
You
And
see it? It
it's
looks
just a little bit of redness on the side, but that will go away. Trust me, it will. Like you said, because of his complexion.
Yeah.
He's red, like red bone. You know what I mean? Like me, I'm brown. It would probably still show on me, but not as much, right? So see, he's right.
But his skin looks
It
amazing.
looks great. Yeah.
Yeah, your skin looks good.
Man. All right. Do you do any modeling or anything? Because you got the height and everything.
Nah, I don't.
He,
No, he took
entrepreneur.
it.
Oh, wow. You,
No, you go and tell him entrepreneur.
oh, man. Yeah, you can. Smokey, you made it. All right. Man. You made it.
What's wrong with you? Oh, I finished your brother's
Yeah,
face.
we
Look
good.
Look how good his skin looks.
Yep.
Look,
Man.
it's a little bit red.
Yeah.
Why are you hating? He's hating.
Hey, Smokey, what's
You know
up?
what he did? So I had this teddy bear. I was saving it for my son.